Hello friends, my name is Ravi and you all are watching Dream to Learn English. I'm here with some questions for you all. What are the challenges in English learning or how to solve them? What are the ways to do English speaking practice? I do not have anyone to speak with. What do I do? Words don't come into my mind when I want to speak in English. Where shall I learn English grammar or how shall I learn English grammar because it is too much and it is boring too. Or how to get good English score in IELTS exam. Here are the answers to all your questions. So let's get going. Hello everyone, welcome to Dream to Learn English. There are very common challenges in order to learn English, and those are hesitation, zero confidence, lack of words, and the common one, we get blank when we need to speak in front of someone. Many of you have realized and come across that you know grammar and you know English, but you always need someone to speak with, a friend or a buddy. Then, where to find that buddy? Since you all know that practice can make you perfect in every era, likewise in English. So we need to do practice more and more. Even I have come across with some people who says that they don't get words when they want to. And many of us, we do understand English grammar or English basic grammar is extremely important in order to speak in English. So how to get it, or what will be the easiest way to learn English or the basic grammar? And learning English grammar is extremely important in order to achieve your dream to learn English. I'm sure many of you want to travel abroad or wants to settle abroad. So you have plans being abroad and working there. So how to do that? Because we need English speaking as well as we need to clear the IELTS exam. So in order to clear the IELTS exam, you need good speaking score. So here are the solutions to all your questions and problems. There is online free speaking. Yes, you heard it right. It's free. It's absolutely free. So there is an English speaking free classes which you can join online. And there is so much fun and learning with the same way you have learned your native languages like Hindi. This is the third consecutive English speaking batch which we are starting from 16th October, and there will be many more batches in future which I'll start. So you can always reach out to me in the comments below and ask your queries, and I've sent you the English speaking registration link in the description below. Registration doesn't mean, it's just the basic detail about you and why do you want to learn English, and this will actually help me to understand how do I have to give you what you actually need in. So it's just a basic registration to fill in. And there is already a WhatsApp link which you can click on and join the WhatsApp group for all your queries and updates. And in case if you have any question regarding the batch starting or regarding any of your English learning problem, you can always put your comments on, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And finally, I would like to make a humble request to all of you. Please do share this video to as many people you can, because this video, or maybe the people who really wants to achieve their dream of learning English can see this video and join the batch. So I'll be really thankful to all of you. Please do share this video to as many people as you can, because this might change or this might accomplish someone's dream of learning English. So thank you so much for watching this video and hope to see you soon.